Happy blooms everyone! Again, welcome to Ellen De Flores Flower Shop. At kung bago kang nanonood sa amin, please like us, follow us, share us, and comment below. At the same time, hit that notification bell para ma-notify kayo na meron na po tayong bagong upload. Another kaalaman. At yun na nga, ito na po yung ating monthly order. Sa totoo lang, minsan nauubusan na ako ng idea, ano ba dapat, ganyan. But, thank you at meron tayong gladiola na flower. So, ito po yung gladiola, yung mahabang yan. And it gives another texture or brightness sa bouquet na gagawa natin. At the same time, new style, 'di ba? So, yun na nga po, it a combination of 24 red roses with gladiola. At the same time, lalagyan ko pa po yan ng goldenrod. Ito po yun. Yan, yung goldenrod. So, yung fillers natin will be goldenrod. Actually, sa English or sa ibang florist, ibang bansa, ang tawag po dyan is goldenrod. Okay? Pero yan. Goldenrod po ang tawag dyan. Pero goldenrod dito sa Pilipinas, pero sa ibang bansa, they call it solidago. Okay po? So, yun naman pong mahabang yung ginagalaw ko. Yun naman po yung gladiola. Gladiola have different colors. Meron yung white, yellow. Most of the time, yun lang yung naaalala. Pero meron din yung, I think, purplish. Medyo light lavender. Depende po sa tubo ng panahon, no? So, gladiola is one of the season flower. Syempre, pag mga season flower, that's the only time lang na add natin siya. Or just in case na tanim ni farmer. O, diba? So, there you go. Like what I've said, it's a combination of 24 red roses with gladiola and goldenrod as our fillers. Ang laki po talaga nitong bouquet na to. At the same time, ginamitan ko po siya ng wrapper na, this is another kind of wrapper. It's called non-woven. It's an old rose. I know it's an old rose. Parang maroonish, maroon type siya, pero old rose po yan na parang maroon. So, yun lang. Kasi I found it na parang iba yung texture niya, mas classy, mas elegant ng tingnan. Parang, alam mo yun, mas na-emphasize yung flowers. So, yun po yung aim natin. It's not only to make everybody happy, pero ma-emphasize po yung ganda ng bulaklak. At the same time, mas ma-enjoy ni client kasi nga ang aba, pati even the long stem. Ang mga roses po talaga namin, all the flowers we have is long stem. Hindi po namin nagkakat para pag nilagay nyo po ito sa base, you will enjoy it. Oh, there you go guys. This is the design, the new design.